As you see here, I use the cutting disc to mark, and then I measure the prong against the cut and continue to do it until I have the right fit. And I will continue to do the same thing for all the jump rings. So now I have cut part of the prongs, but we still need to do more work. So the next thing that I did was that I set the stone on the top of the jump ring and measure how far does the culae of the stone sticks out from the bottom of the jump ring, and I measured approximately 1.80 millimeters. So I cut off my prongs down to 2 millimeter each. So that will give me a good space in between both jump rings, and it will be good enough to protect the stone. And that will even give me a good space to solder the back and for the post. Finally, what you need to do is push the prongs into the notches of the second or bottom jump ring you have set aside until this point. When pushing, you should hear a click, which tells you that the prongs fit very tight into those notches. Right here you can see what I was talking about, that all the prongs fit very tight to that bottom jump ring, right? And we want both rings, jump rings, parallel to each other. No mistake, because we do not want to undo what we have soldered already. So next, as you see, I'm soldering all 4 points or joints with easy solder, and I suggest that you go in with a small bushy flame. In my case, I use an oxypropane torch with a very small tip. Here you can see me using a ball burr that fits into that jump ring, not fit, but sits over the bottom jump ring. So it makes a little clean up in there, makes a little beautiful bevel that looks much better, okay? If you want to do it, you can. It's just preference. I've never seen anybody do it, but I do it because it looks much cleaner to me. Then you continue with other tools like you see here. I'm using, it's like I would say a pumice tip that I have to clean some of the things around the basket, and it's your preference. I mean, you choose whatever is good for you, that you have used before and it works. This works for me, so it's up to you to use whatever you want. I have my preferred wheels, pumice wheels, sandpaper, little tiny, those are little tiny tips that will make your life easier, so use whatever you want. Now all you will see is me working on the backs. I'll file and fit, and if they don't fit, I'll file again some more until they fit inside of that bottom jump ring, and that's what I'm looking for. It will take some time to get there to fit, but be patient. You will get there. I promise you, you will. I do not want to bore you guys with the extended video of everything that I do, but I think it's important that at least you watching, you can see, you know, the time it takes to get to from one point to the other. Is just, it takes time. It's not like really quick. Nothing is really quick. You have to take time, and I just wanted you to see that. Right here, I'm going to be very happy in a moment because I heard another beautiful click. It fits perfectly inside that jump ring, so I am next going to proceed to solder the back to the basket. Yes, it fits so nice. Yes, and next I'm going to solder the baskets, not the baskets, but the backing of each basket, and then move on. This is the basket that I just finished. I am very happy with it. I still have a little bit more to do, but that's when I'm setting the stone. Here you can see the back of the basket setting and where I made the dent to solder the post later on. Next, I place the stone inside of the basket. Everything looks parallel and straight, so I'm happy with that. So anyway, if you enjoyed my video, please like it. I appreciate that, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much.